Sungan daw siya.
Sige, alis na na.
Lingkod. Ayun tuto. Ayun itong pinagpugay na mo tao. Ay pagpasok-pasok kaya.
But it grew from a simple crush. Being without you, girl, never so messed up. When you walked out, said that you had enough. Nothing to fool. Didn't expect this is how this would go. Maybe tonight, she's mine. Now that you're back, I wish I could be right. Because I can't seem to tell you things to me. No, I can't maybe that you're wrong. So I stay up, tell you things to me. Till this house is looking dead before. Cause they decide me out. 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 Fall in love. You used to think that I never found a girl I could trust. And then you walked into my and it was all about us. And now I'm sitting there thinking I messed the whole thing up. I've been a fool. Didn't expect this is how this would go. Maybe time to change my mind. I'm looking back, I wish I could rewind. Because I can't seem to do your things to me. No, I can't live it a gentle. I stay up to your things to me. To this house, cause we get dead before. Cause they decide me out. lost the will to carry on. We both believe no more. Why should we think sometimes we're running to run? As long as we're within.
Baby, you call, I can't hear a thing. I have got no service in the club, you say. What did you say? Oh, you're breaking up on me. Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kind of busy. Sometimes I feel like I live in Grand Central Station. I'm not taking no calls 'cause I'll be tempted. I ain't not taking no calls 'cause I'll be
Gaguping ang gabi ngayon ay yung tanan. Para doon mga nagpapakyana kung kaya no igin panganak kita din ng kalibutan. Para doon napakyana kung hino yan din ng kalibutan. Sugada ako niya napakyana para inihating na kanta.